There is an interesting observation noted by some who study Christian apologetics. Our cosmos appears to have been precisely tuned to allow us to exist. If the values of any one in a list of physical parameters were even slightly different, our universe would not allow life. If the masses of particles or any of a list of constants were slightly different, we would not be here. These things need to be within a freakishly narrow range. For example, if gravity had been slightly weaker, the stars would not have exploded into supernovae, creating the heavier elements involved in life. If gravity had been slightly stronger, the stars would have lived for thousands rather than billions of years. That would not have left time for life to evolve. This is just one of the parameters in what some call the fine-tuned universe. While theists see this as strong evidence of a creator, others hold fast to what could be called a naturalist explanation. Famed physicist Stephen Hawking devised a plausible way to explain in his book The Grand Design. A multiverse, with potentially an infinite universe, removes the mathematical impossibility of any one universe being so finely tuned. If there are an infinite number of universes, there could be many such universes with the required perimeters. Let me summarize what I've said. The very narrow perimeters of multiple variables required for life make it seem impossible without tuning by a creator. But if there are an infinite number of universes, that near impossibility becomes mathematically not so impossible. Hawking said there may be many universes in which gravity is slightly stronger and no life exists. There may be many others in which it is slightly weaker, resulting in the same absence of life. This is true of all of the other variables that must be exactly what they are in our universe for life to exist. This is something many point to as reason to discount a finely tuned universe as evidence of God. But Hawking co-wrote a paper shortly before his death that sheds doubt on this as a counterargument. They concluded if parallel worlds exist, the laws of physics in them must be the same as in ours. If the constants we have measured are the only way a universe can exist, we are left with the same mathematical improbability that the universe is not designed. Hertog, who co-authored the paper, suggests this idea does not support a fine-tuned universe, but merely pushes back finding a possible explanation. He saw it as a step forward in finding an answer. Supporters of the fine-tuned universe have not claimed it as proof of God, but maintain it as an incredible truth that indicates a creator. In a way, there is irony in that the final work of Dr. Hawking, an atheist, would suggest the existence of a creator. But this is the way science works. It strives for answers without regard for what outcome we may want.